Hey friends, I'm excited to tell you that I'm actually experiencing the Maroon culture live in living color at the Charlestown Maroons in Portland. It's an amazing experience. We just had the dance. The team, they did a dance, and that was really great. All the kids from the community came down and joined in. Captain Colonel Kim, I think she did a tour with us, and that was so insightful. I'm telling you, and quite emotional at times to hear everything that transpired and the whole history of the Maroons in Jamaica in general, but also on this side of the island. I'm just going to show you a couple things that that caught my attention. This pot, this is one of them that they used to cook back in the day. The three foot pot. You heard about that one? I think my friend Faye Ellington spoke about that pot. A couple of smaller ones here. This is the mortar and pestle and mortar. The castor oil, coconut, all those things were used in here. There's several pictures on the wall and different artifacts around, quite a few. I'm just going to highlight a few that caught my eye in particular. This is a brush, coconut brush, that over 4 parents, and I actually had experience of using the coconut brush as well. This is a gig. The gig. A little boy will use the gig to play in the community back home. Right? And these are some money back from historical Jamaica. I was fascinated by this one, this 10 shilling one. This 10 shilling, this is way before my time, but some of us are familiar with $100 and so on. But the $5 is no more in use, the $2 no more in use, the $1 not anymore as well, $10 and $20 not anymore. I think the only one actually on here is $100. And let's see how long that one lasts. But this is the good stuff, and over this side is some African money, right, that she had. It's a lantern. Right, oh gosh, that power saw, not power saw, well, the saw they had, used to use cut wood. And remember this iron? Yeah, remember that iron? Yeah. And then we have quite a few, there's an old Singer iron there. That one, this is a museum. And again, a lot of posters depicting the history. So this one talk about the history timeline, the political structure, Maroon villages. Yeah, and some of the Maroon names. So if your name fall in here, chances are you're a Maroon. Alright. And then this is a skull of the Cimarron, which is a bull or a cow. That's where we Maroons, and I'm saying we because I consider myself to be Maroon, got the name from. You'll hear more about that. It's the meaning wild or unruly bull. Alright, but that's some history there for you. Alright, lots of history. These are past leaders of the Maroons here in Charlestown. Really rich and exciting history. And of course books, lots of books, reading material. Very impressive, and then some craft items. Yeah, this is exciting. This is good. I've really learned a lot, and I just want to thank the team again for allowing us to come and experience it firsthand. I have the video of the dance independent of this. Just wanted to share some bits and pieces of the Maroon experience here at Charlestown with you. Alright, so thank you for your time. More to come. And oh, how could I forget the abeng? This is the abeng. The gentleman, he blew the abeng earlier, and you should see all the kids come running in the community to dance. Alright, so this is another important aspect of the history here in the Maroon community. Alright, so again, thank you so much. More to come. We'll be in touch.